When you experience clogs or other instability on your CytoFLEX SRT, cleaning the nozzle is quite straightforward. Just remove the nozzle module, as you've seen in previous videos, and then we're going to flush it with deionized water. I have a syringe of deionized water here, and I'm going to start flushing from the opposite end of where the clog likely came from, so the end without the O-ring. I'm going to take my syringe of deionized water, put it against the nozzle, and begin to flush water through. Flip over to the other side where the O-ring is present. Flush that through as well. And I'll do this 3 to 5 times, or until I see a nice stream come out from the side with the O-ring, telling me that I've removed any clogs. Once I'm finished, I'll blot off any excess water and then reinsert the nozzle module into the instrument and try my sort calibration.